Stralis highway and high road cabs can be fitted with an additional air conditioner for use when parked. Offering low noise levels and low energy consumption, the air conditioner is built into the roof panel and gives you the right temperature and right humidity levels when the engine is switched off. It comes with a remote control and includes a turbo mode for high external temperatures. The delayed switch off for nighttime use and the built-in battery saver ensure that vehicle batteries will never go flat. The system is maintenance-free and you don't need to top it up with water.